Build dreams with original will and forge ahead with innovation. Meidegroup follows its heart, focuses on each detail, and accumulates. Established in 1961, through the development of more than half a century, Meidegroup has become a diversified international enterprise group that focuses on malleable cast iron pipe fitting, grooved fitting, valve, electrical fitting, and ductile iron, and also gives consideration to equity investment. As the leader of the same industry in the world, Meide sticks to the core values of putting users first, taking quality as the life, promoting development with innovation, and reaching win-win with cooperation. Focuses on various sections including design, R&D, production and manufacturing, extends the upstream and downstream industrial chains, and creates high-quality development. It provides safe and reliable products and smart and complete solutions for clients in fluid conveying industry across the globe. As a national high-tech enterprise, model enterprise of single championship, and green manufacturing enterprise, Meide has fully exerted its advantages as the nationally certified enterprise technology center and postdoctoral scientific research workstation, and finished the transformation of production process from mechanization to automation and intelligentization, the transformation of operating management from experience type to institutionalization and process, and the transformation of marketing from selling products to providing solutions. It integrates innovation into blood and quality life. It comprehensively starts the double intelligence strategy and connects intelligent product and intelligent manufacturing to development, promotes the transformation of innovative achievements and productivity, and fully improves the brand chain momentum of Meide. Targeted at diversified development and global configuration, Meide positively brings in international top talents, creates the cross-regional and multi-base international development pattern, and provides the high-quality services for global users. Meide cooperates with international famous partners to jointly set up the world landmarks and realize win-win in the global market. Scanning the world widely, Meide serves as the national backbone. Setting foot in China, Meide undertakes social responsibilities. Meide practices the environment-friendly ideas and conveys the strength of love in the public welfare cause, such as education, urban construction, and poverty alleviation. It keeps making innovations and moving on. Meidegroup shares with employees, realizes win-win with clients, makes progress with the industry, and attains prosperity with the times.
Welcome back. Let's continue to talk about our products. We always insist on provide one-stop service, and we have a series of products including malleable iron fittings, grooved fittings, valves, hoses, steel pipes, nipples, hangers, and so on. Now we will show you our products, and firstly, let's welcome Evelyn to introduce the first product.
Hello, my dear friends. This is Evelyn from the Europe team. Nice to meet everyone. Thanks for having this opportunity to give a presentation about our star product, the malleable iron pipe fittings. My introduction will cover the applications, the capacity, the standard and the quality, the environment applications, and so on. Okay, let's start from the first part, our applications. Our malleable iron pipe fittings have a long story in our factory, more than 6 years of casting experience. Our product can apply to many different fields like fire fittings, gas, water supply, drainage system, HVAC, and so on. Our malleable iron pipe fittings capacity is 130,000 tons a year, #1 in the world. We can supply more than 4 million fittings daily. If we connect them together, about 20th of the distance for going around the equator, about 20th of the distance from Earth to Moon. I think this is an amazing achievement. The next is about our surface and quality. We have many different standards like American standard, British standard, and DIN standard. The different standard is different in their appearance. For example, the American standard and British standard are banded. They are heavier than others, but the DIN standard is beaded. It's lighter than others. You can clearly distinguish them from their appearance. I understand that everyone will concern our quality. In order to strictly control our quality, we do a 100% leakage air pressure test before shipment to make sure that no defective product leave our factory. Except this, our product ability insurance limit is up to $2 million US, #1 in the industry. I think it's also an amazing achievement. The next, I will introduce some markings for you. Okay, everyone, look at this product. There are 6 markings on it, include the brand, certifications, size, origin, and also have the cavity number and the workshop number. If they have any problems of our product, we can track it about the cavity number and the workshop number, which ensure that all of our product can meet the standard. The next, I will introduce our approvals. We have many different approvals from different countries and areas. For example, we have UL and FM certifications for fire production, the DVGW for gas production, and the NSF for water supplication. Except this, we also have another industry certifications, like the CE for Europe, the KS for Korea, and the EAC for Russia and near countries. This means we can sell to the place all around the world. Okay, everyone, look at our product. You can see our product range is rich. For this 2-inch, 2.5 inch, 1/2 inch, and 1/2 inch. But this is a part. This is just a part. We also have some range Our product range can from 1/8 inch to 6 inch, which can best meet your needs. The next is about our surface treatment. We have many different surface treatment ways for our different products. For example, the black and the galvanized are the most used, and we also have the electrographic and the copper plating, chromium plating, powder coating, and so on. In gas area, many customers will choose the black, but in fire production and water supply, many customers will choose the galvanized. But this is just a general classification. The different regions will have different requirements. I have been thinking, if I'm a customer, I will pay more attention on the next topic. That is our delivery date. Yes, our delivery date can stable at 40 to 45 days. If you are our VIP customers, we can shorten it to 15 days or less. As we all know, the Meidegroup are the largest factory in China, the only Class A casting company in the industry, so we can provide more stable delivery capacity. This is another reason why favored by many international customers. The last part is about our environment applications. There are 3 points needed to be noted. Firstly, it is suitable for pipeline connections of water, air, oil, steam, so the environment should be neutral medium. Secondly, the anti-corrosion is needed if in underground. Thirdly, the temperature range is also important. If the temperature is below 0 degrees, the antifreeze is also required. Okay, everyone, thanks for your listening. Above is all about our malleable and pipe fittings. Thanks.
For malleable iron product introduction, just as Evelyn said, this product can meet different standards, different size, and also can be used in different fields. Next, let's welcome Shirley to introduce next product. Welcome.
Hello everyone, I'm Shirley, and next I will introduce our star products, groove fittings and couplings. Same as the name, fittings with groove is called the groove fittings and couplings. And it's easy to recognize, right? And now it is very popular around the world. Some advantages of the groove fittings and couplings make it popular. The first one is easy installation. Compared with the traditional welding, flange, or thread connection, the groove fittings can be installed easily and quickly. It no requires high technology or installation qualifications. And here you can see some pipes which can be connected with our groove fittings and couplings easily. And secondly, the installation of the groove fittings are environmental friendly. No welding slag, no smoke pollution. And here, you can see the sealing of the groove fittings is rubber, which can reduce the vibration and noise of the pipeline. And at the same time, it can solve the problem of expansion and contraction. And in addition, we have almost 20 years of experience of the groove fittings and couplings. And we can see that we are one of the earliest factories in China to produce groove fittings and couplings. And now we have numerous production bases, and the annual capacity is about 100,000 tons. And our products have distributed to over 130 countries and regions. And the smallest of products is 1 inch, and the largest size is 60 inch. And here you can see this red elbow. The size is 24-inch. Also, for different surface treatments, we have electrophoretic painting, epoxy coating, hot dip galvanizing, and electroplating. Whatever you want, you can always find the best in Meidegroup. And you can see this product. The surface treatment is electrophoretic painting, and for this blue one, the surface is epoxy coating. And the most important is that we are the only one corporation in China to get the certificates FM, UL, VDS, LPCB together. And you can find these certificates on our products. And here, the FM, UL, VDS, and LPCB. Also, we have world-class manufacturing capabilities, which realize the vertical integration from raw materials to the finished products, and realized the short process production from pig iron to the ductile iron. And here you can see our pig iron products, which are manufactured by Gengchen factory. And based on this, we have an absolute manufacturing cost advantage. And besides, we have broad product line and complete product size. So we can provide one-stop service for our customers. And besides, we have strict quality control system for our product inspection. And at the same time, we engaged in environmental protection. And now we are certified as a green manufacturing in China. And so we will not stop or limit the production because of the environmental problems. That will guarantee the stable delivery time. Actually, many famous landmark buildings are using our good fittings and couplings, like Cliff Tower, the tallest building in the world, and Shanghai Center Tower, the tallest building in China. And actually, the accessories of the good fittings are also important. The quality of the accessories has direct relationship of our products. So for the accessories, such as bolt nuts and the rubber gaskets, we have strict quality control system for them. And the standard is much higher than the relative industry. 100% magnetic particle testing for bolts and nuts. And it can avoid the problems caused by bolt breakage. And the rubber material was imported from Dun with gel content over 40%, and the service life can be guaranteed by 50 years. And overall, the groove fittings and couplings are worthy of the star products. And that reminds me think about our company slogan, Make Products, connecting the world pipeline. In a word, what made the manufactured is the best. What are you waiting for? Pick up your phone and place a new order. Thank you.
Hi everybody, welcome back again. Thank you Shirley for the grooved fittings product introduction. There are many advantages of grooved fittings in application. It's worthy of our slogan, Make Pipe, connecting the world pipeline. Next, let's welcome Melody to introduce next product.
Hello everyone, this is Melody. Here we are standing at the steel pipe nipples and electric products exhibition area. In 1997, we started the production for standard prefabrication product for US market, and with so many years development, we now equipped about 700,000 metric tons production capacity. And nowadays, we are serving 50% for the US market, and with our superior service, our products are widely distributed in more than 100 countries. And the PEP nipple product is one of the most important product line of our company. It includes steel nipples, brass nipples, motion couplings, and so on. And it covers American BS and DIN standards. We could also provide you OEM product. So according to customers' demand, so if you have any new product process plan, please send us your drawings or samples. We will take care of everything for you. And I think you must also be interested in our electric products. We start conduit product in 2017, and based on our strong pipeline production foundation, we got the US certificate at the same year. And we now develop 3 series products. They are ERIC, IMC, and EMT product. We could also provide you related elbow, coupling, and nipple products. And currently, we have already collaborated with some top distributors in North America, South America, and Southeast Asia. At last, I would like to introduce some products made by our Thailand factories. And we started this product in 2021. But we have the biggest advantage is that we could help you to exempt from 20% tariff in collaboration with other China vendors. So I do believe with more than 30 years professional experience on production and effective delivery system, we will provide you the best offer with competitive price and good quality product. And we will be a strong and reliable partner and suppliers. Thank you.
Welcome back. Very good. Thank you, Melody. For this product, it's available for us to make OEM products. Please send us your drawing or samples if any new product demand. Now, let's move to the next product introduction from my colleague Sylvia. Welcome.
Hello, it's my honor to introduce you the PEP product. This is Sylvia. We carry both ERW steel pipe and the spiral steel pipe. I'd like to introduce the ERW steel pipe first. Jinan produces pipes strictly complying with different standards, such as American standards, British standards, African standards, and Japanese standards, and can supply with different coating treatments as galvanizing, epoxy, and polyester coatings, lacquer painting, and plastic linings. For special projects, we have the pipes with double coating for rust resistance. To keep the worker safe and save your cost, we have provided the prefabrication service as cutting, grooving, threading, drilling, and welding in our factory. What's more, we have the most advantage for automatic production lines of outline sprinkler pipes on operation, which are popular in many countries. If you pursue the pipes most cost-effective, the epoxy coating pipe will be your best choice. Besides the good lookings, those pipes also have strong coating adhesion and high anti-rust performance. And we can provide those pipes with different colors and coating thickness. If you need the pipes outdoor, we have the pipes with polyester coating powered, especially for anti-UV too. Next, we want to talk about the spiral pipe. The factory of spiral pipe covers an area of 80,000 square meters, producing double-side submerged arc welding spiral steel pipe, 2PE, 3PE, FBE, 2FBE, LE anti-corrosion steel pipe, and a prefabricated corrosion pipe. We can produce those pipes with size DN 2000 219 and 1,620, and which are widely used in oil, gas, water heating pipelines, and are qualified suppliers in large gas companies, such as Huarun, Ganghua, Ultra. Till now, we have finished introducing all the pipe products. Which one do you like?
Hi everybody, welcome back again. Thanks for Sylvia's product introduction. For this kind of product, it's widely used in many fields, such as oil, gas, heating, and water pipelines. Next part belongs to my colleague, Janet, with next product. Welcome.
Hi guys, this is Janet, and welcome back, and let's go in the electric power fittings products. Electric power fittings is a very important product in the company, and with an output of 40 tons and the world's largest sales volume. And at the same time, Meidegroup is the preferred supplier for the major domestic and European manufacturers. So the electric power fittings are including the insulator caps, the electric connectors, the conductor body and the fittings, and the special shaped insulator caps. So what is the special shaped the electric power fittings products? They are the overline and the headwheel the products, and the base type insulators and the composite insulators. For their tensile from the 40 kN to the 800 kN. So let's take a look for the main products of the electric power fittings. The main products is the caps. So let's look at the insulator caps. We have two kinds of the insulator caps. The first one is the caps for the glass insulators, and the second one is the caps for the composite insulators. So for the first one, the caps for the glass insulators, we have three types. The first one is socket type, and the second is clevis type, and the last one is tongue type. So let's look at the first two one. This is the socket type, and this is the clevis type. They are different type because they have different holes. Let's look at the first one. They have rounded holes, and the second one they have the clevis holes. So they are different type. And the third type is the tongue type because they have the two ears, so we call the tongue type. And these products are produced with a ductile iron and a malleable iron. So for their zinc layer thickness, we have three zinc layers. The first one is normal zinc layer. The second one is the reinforced zinc layer, and the last one is the super reinforced zinc layer. So for the second kind, the caps for the Brazilian insulator caps, it has the same ductile and the material and the zinc layer with the first one, but different the mechanical class. Mechanical class is from the 40 kN to the 550 kN. So we produce this product for more than 10 years. So we have many experience, and which get the many customers recognition and trust. So in addition to the insulator caps, we also have all kinds of bases. So look at the bigger products. The first one is the flange bases, and the second one is the threaded bases, and the third one is the grooved bases, and the fourth one is the sleeve. They are all kinds of different bases because they have different size and material. And the And the metal and the fitting for the composite insulator are very important and necessary products. So let's look at them. We have two end fittings. The first one is the tongue end fittings, and the second one is clevis end fittings. They are different because they have different shapes. Obviously, we can locate. It is 2 ears, so it is tongue. It is tongue. It is the 1 ears, so it is clevis insulators. The quality of this product we can guarantee because we have the comprehensive and complete inspection and check before they leave the factory. So their quality is very good. But for the material, we produce them with malleable iron and the ductile iron, and we can do them according to the customer's requirement and needs. Before this product, we also have different electrical fittings, such as conduit bodies, and the conduit fittings and hooks and beam clamps. So let's move to the first one, conduit bodies. This is conduit bodies. We produce it mainly including the malleable iron, but we also do the ductile iron according to the customer's need. And we have many different specifications. We can meet the ASTM, BA, and D. And for the finishing, we have 3 finishing. The first one is electrical galvanizing, and the second is the hot dip galvanizing, and the third one is electrical galvanizing after the hot dip galvanizing. So let's move on to the first one. The first, I will introduce the beam clamps. This is the beam clamps. It is very small, but we can do every inspection according to the customer's demands. And it is mainly produced with ductile iron and malleable iron too. But for the surface, we can do it with the hot dip galvanizing. Also, we can do it with the electrical galvanizing too. So last one is the different products, that is the conduit fittings and the bodies. These two is the conduit fittings and bodies. They have different size. Look at the first. We can see that is a 1 inch, and it is 1 inch to the half inches. So for this product, their material mainly is malleable iron, and for the specification, we have 2. The first one is ASTM and BS, and the second is D. For the surface, we have the 3 surfaces. The first is electrical galvanization, and the second is the hot dip galvanization, and the last one is electric galvanization to the hot dip galvanization. So let's look at the last but different products. We can see it train accessories. This is all the train accessories. They are very special shaped. Look at this. Its special is very shaped. So we can produce it mainly with the ductile iron, with different surface treatment. This treatment is the hot dip galvanization, but we also produce with the electrophoretic pens. So if customers have any needs or demands, please feel free to contact with us. We are very looking forward to communicating with it. So that's all my introduction. Now let's take a look, and Candy will share the flexible hose product with us. Thank you for your listening. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. It is my pleasure to be here again. I like to thanks to the exhibition online last time. I have made a lot of friends. As always, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Demi. I'm in this group for almost 7 years. Now I'm responsible for the business in Europe, West Asia, and Africa. Hi, Claire.
Hi, I'm Claire. Nice to meet you again. I'm in charge of the South American market for the pipe product. And now, Demi, you know, China already totally come back to the normal.
Yes.
The students already come back to school, and we could go any place we want to go. So I believe the other countries will recover soon.
You know, there's something new in China. The foreigners who have the valid permission cards are allowed to enter China now.
Yes, it is really a good news, and we also would like to communicate with our customer face to face and show them around our factories and the companies.
Yes, but currently, to keep our customers updated about our company and the products, we will be online all the time at the customer's service. For today's presentation, I would like to introduce my company's logo first. So, Claire, what do you know about the logo?
It is too easy for me.
I think there is something wrong about the PPT.
You know, there are two images on the screen. The first one is the image of the M&D. It is for our group. And the second one is for the company of dynamic piping.
Do you know why do we choose those two shapes?
Yes, the home bake is like a diamond. It is meaning the high quality.